A consultant is being paid big bucks to help cut staff at Cleveland schools. We first told you last week how CMSD plans to send out layoff notices any day now. It's all part of the district's consolidation plan known as Building Brighter Futures. News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison uncovered CMSD's paying that consultant nearly $300,000, even though the district has an HR department some say could do that job itself.
The contract between the HR consultant and Cleveland schools says the company will identify necessary reductions, determine positions to be frozen, reclassified, or repurposed, and owner Laura Cover will serve as the interim leader of the talent department after CMSD's HR director left. Price tag, $272,000 for 7 months of work.
I don't understand why we didn't just hire another HR director when we knew that our HR director was leaving.
CMSD watchdog Polly Carr says the district should have hired a permanent replacement instead.
And she gets to leave and not think about what she's done and count her money. Our money.
We have people in the district that can figure out when someone needs to be cut or not cut.
Errol Savage is the newly elected president of the Cleveland Teachers Union. He says the district should have been able to get the job done without hiring a high-priced consultant. As we reported earlier this year, Ohio's auditor found CMSD is already top-heavy with administrators.
I just don't see the justification of spending the public's money to that extent when we have people that are working with children that are going to get cut because we're spending money like that.
After all, the goal of the district's consolidation plan is to save money. The district is closing 18 buildings and 29 schools, and as we first told you last week, there will be layoffs impacting staff, including administrators and teachers. The plan, known as Building Brighter Futures, is expected to save the district $30 million a year.
Well, I see the building part and I see the futures part, but I haven't seen the brighter part.
We requested an interview with CEO Warren Morgan about the consulting contract. He declined, but his spokesperson sent us the following statement. It says, in part, given the scale and complexity of Building Brighter Futures, it was critical to have experienced leadership in place immediately. According to her bio, Cover is the current president of the Shaker Heights School Board and previously worked as CMSD's chief talent officer before creating her own consulting company.
You have to be pretty cynical to have worked in CMSD and then come back and even ask for that kind of money. I don't understand.
Investigator Sarah Buttison, News 5.
Sarah called and emailed Laura Cover. She did not respond to requests for comment about her contract or its price tag.